Yeah, it is.
Tell a story. Start it over and tell a story. That's what makes it special, is you telling a story.
Oh, I should say something. Eastern bluebirds, all the way out here in the Midwest. And one year we seen a banded one, and I have a photo of it somewhere.
Tell them the water's heated.
The water's heated on a bird bath.
That's why it's not frozen. It's like a hot tub for the birds.
A hot tub for the bird, Shauna said. Yeah.
A bird spa.
A bird spa. We have a bird spa. Well, they're gone again.